Yeah man, Gaza fans man. You understand? Big up to a Merry Christmas when it come. You understand? So enough love, enough wishes goes out to all the fans. You understand? And be happy. You understand what I'm saying? And keep watching us, keep liking us, keep comment. You know, you have some comment that very good. And you have some comment that very bad. And you have some very good appreciative comments. But anyhow, I like the haters and I like the likers. You understand? But as I'm saying, this goes out to my wife. Miss you, wish you were here for my Christmas. You understand? You near us, cleaning up my house. You know, I'm so tired, so I'm saying I'm gonna make this video for my fans. You know, in case I don't remember to make a Christmas video, thanking them for watching us and appreciate all the comments and everything. You know, sometimes I read some comments, it make me laugh. Sometimes I read some comments, it make me want to choke some of those people who write those bad comments. But anyhow, bad comments motivate us to make me love my wife more and more, and I appreciate her. You know, the good comments make me feel good in myself that, you know, people out there that inspired by me and my wife. You understand? So big up everyone that comment, big up the haters, big up the people who love us, big up who all cry for us, big up who jealous of us, you know, and big up for the Christmas. Eat a lot of food. You understand? Just eat a lot of food, guys. You understand what I'm saying? And then big up. You understand? Love you, my wife. Love you. You're the greatest. Come on. Dorina. Love you, baby. And peace out, my fans. You understand? Big up. And all the Gaza people. Big up. Vybz Kartel to the fucking world. One world boss, one Dan. And that's not what I'm saying. Yeah. All the girls who are bleaching, their new name is Yabba Dabba Doo. Damn Flintstone. Up. Say a word. Big up. Peace. One love. Gaza. Straight out. Big up my son Kelvin. He's my superhero. You understand? And my wife is my super heart. Love you, my wife. Peace out.